Howdy y'all, welcome back to the Cookin Shack. Nice afternoon, or evening, whatever you want to call it. I figured I'd do a little experiment. So I got a big old giant restaurant pan. I usually use this thing to transport barbecue in because it's got walls and I can walk through the backyard and not have to worry about it falling over, tipping stuff off. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take them center cuts. We're gonna line the bottom of this pan in them, and then we're gonna take some cabbage. We're gonna put it on top, and then on top of that, I'm gonna chop up some bacon, some bell pepper, and just cook the cabbage right there in the middle. I was gonna boil this and do it the old-fashioned way, just make fried cabbage like I usually do, but I think this might taste better. What exactly my idea? Well, most of it was, but Mom kind of had some inspiration for it. She said, I wonder if you can do it in the oven. I wondered that myself. So that's what we're gonna do. Alright, so to continue our little experiment, we got layered pork chops, a whole stick of butter, and then I chopped up cabbage, put that on there, and then I chopped up some thick cut bacon, put that on there as a layer, and then on top of that we got some broken up bell pepper that I just cored and just tore big old chunks off of and threw it in there. And we got a whole Vidalia onion along with black pepper, some season oil, and 3 decent sized dashes of gumbo filet. So yeah, this is a little experiment. It's pretty much the same thing I do on the stove top, except I don't have to mess with the stove top. We're gonna cover this up. I threw a cup of water in there, add in with the steam, and kind of, make sure that the pork chops on the bottom don't burn. And yeah, I don't know what else I could do. I guess I could try the sausage, but that's why I substituted the pork chops in the first place. But then Mom had the idea, why don't we do it like we do our pork chops and taters in the oven, but we didn't have a big enough pan, so had to opt out for this gigantic pan. But this is the biggest pan we got, and that's a lot of damn food. I don't care how you look at it, that's a lot of damn food at once. So we're gonna throw this in the oven at 400 degrees and begin. Well, I do believe we've come to the end of this dish. This has been in the oven around 2 hours. Yeah, not quite. About an hour and a half, an hour and 45 minutes, somewhere around there. It is one mess of food, I will say that. The cabbage, got done to about the right consistency. Honestly, I prefer to cook just a tad bit longer, but everything's starting to fall apart in there. And it was time to take it out. I think we about got the same results as fried cabbage. I just figured I'd try to do it in the oven, put it in a big old pocket and let it cook that way. Try that out. But yeah, we're going to dig in. Y'all have a good one.